So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Vakas Tech. In this short tutorial I am going to show you how to enable assistive touch in old model iPhone and new model iPhone even it's running any iOS. So without wasting any time, let's start video. As you can see, this is my iPhone 8 and right now it's running on iOS 16, and in other hand you can see a person screen, it's iPhone 6 and it's running on 12.5.6. so in this video I am going to show you how you can enable both devices assistive touch. Doesn't matter which running on old iOS and which running on new iOS. So open iPhone setting. As you can see showing here, you can see a person screen. Here are accessibility options showing in my iPhone right now, but other hand you can see a person screen. Open iPhone setting. In setting app you can't see accessibility option in iPhone 6. So how to find accessibility option in iPhone 6? Tap on general option. You can see a person screen. Here are showing accessibility in general option. Now tap on accessibility here and you can see a person screen. Scroll down, tap on assistive touch showing here. Just tap on that, turn it on, and you can easily enable the assistive touch on iPhone 6 old model. Now move to the iOS 16 updated iPhone 8. Tap on accessibility here, change. You can see a person screen touch option showing here. Tap on touch, tap on assistive touch, and also turn it on. Okay, you can see a person screen both devices assistive touch is on right now, and you can easily find and how to enable assistive touch in both iPhone. So friends, after watching this video I hope you will all know how to enable assistive touch in old model or new model iPhone any iOS update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.